installing your new bracket, make sure it is 1/4 inch away from the storm door, and be sure to angle the bracket the correct way. To install the new closer, put the hold open washer on the piston and then attach the piston to the jam bracket using the closer pin. Before aligning your new door bracket, be sure the hold open washer is resting on the lugs on the piston. This will give proper tension setting for the closer. With the pressure set properly, use the drop pin to connect the closer to the door bracket. Place the bracket onto the door in level position and then fasten it to the door. You may need to drill new holes if your new bracket does not align with the original holes. After you've completed the installation of the bracket, move the hold open washer back beyond the lugs on the piston rod. Be sure that the longer drop pin is in the front and the shorter one in the back. Lastly, open the storm door and check the closing speed of the closer. There is an adjustment screw at the front end of the closer. Turn the screw clockwise to slow down the closer or counterclockwise to speed it up.
We are the brave, we are the bold.